lang. Huwag mo na. Ready na yan?
Everyone, this is me, Roxy. Alam ko na ang kakantahin namin. It's hard to believe that I could see that you were always there beside me. When I was alone, with no one to hold, that you were always there beside me. This feeling like no others. I want you to know I never had someone as good for me as you. No one like you. Was so lonely before I finally found what I've been looking for. Ano ba masasabi ko, te?
Wala akong masabi.
Wala.